In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PowerPoint in Figma slides. If you've created a presentation in Figma slides and need it in a traditional PowerPoint format, this guide is for you. Exporting your Figma presentation as a PPTX file ensures broad compatibility, letting you share with anyone who uses Microsoft PowerPoint. This process helps your designs transition smoothly, ready for various presentation environments. Our first step is to click the Figma logo. You'll find this distinctive F symbol in the upper left-hand corner of your Figma interface. This logo serves as your primary access point to Figma's main menu, containing file management options and project settings. Clicking it will open a crucial drop-down menu. Once the main menu appears, your next action is to select File. The File option is common in most software, holding critical functions for managing your work. Within this menu, you'll find commands for saving, opening, and, importantly, exporting your presentation. After selecting File, a submenu will unfold. Here, locate and click on Export Slides to. This command prepares your presentation for conversion. It tells Figma to package your slides for external use, ensuring you export the complete presentation. Following this, a small prompt will appear, offering various export format choices. Here, click on PPTX. This stands for PowerPoint Open XML Presentation, the standard file format for modern Microsoft PowerPoint files. Choosing PPTX guarantees your exported presentation will be fully compatible, preserving layouts, text, and visuals. Finally, with PPTX selected, the last action is to click the Export button. This confirmation button is typically found within the same prompt. Upon clicking Export, Figma will process your slides and automatically download the PPTX file to your computer's default Downloads folder. Open this file directly in Microsoft PowerPoint. And there you have it. Exporting your presentations from Figma slides to a universally recognized PowerPoint format is a straightforward task. This capability empowers you to share your designs widely, bridging different software preferences. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful.